Hey everyone, I'm Mandel from the Developer Relations team at Discord. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Discord apps, often called bots, and how they can revolutionize both your game's ecosystem and your community server. For community managers, Discord apps are a vital tool for boosting engagement and managing your server efficiently. They automate repetitive tasks, ensure a safe and welcoming environment, and provide fun, interactive ways for your members to connect. This frees up your time to focus on building stronger relationships and creating more valuable content. For game developers, Discord apps can significantly boost your game's discoverability by making it more visible within Discord. They can also enhance player retention by providing unique ways to connect in-game and fostering deeper engagement. Imagine an app that surfaces real-time game stats, organizes tournaments, or even helps players find groups for their next adventure, all within Discord. This keeps players connected to your game even when they're not actively playing. Discord apps cover a huge range of functions and generally fall into a few key categories. Let's break down the most common types of apps you'll encounter and how they can improve your server. Moderation apps are the unsung heroes of large communities. They automate crucial tasks, helping keep your server safe and organized 24/7. Beyond detecting and removing spam or filtering offensive language, advanced moderation apps can offer a lot more. They provide advanced keyword filtering using customizable rules and wildcards to catch even nuanced forms of unwanted content. Many include verification systems ensuring new members are legitimate and not malicious bots, often through captchas or rule agreements. They're fantastic for logging and reporting tools, automating the tracking of moderation actions, and providing dedicated channels for your community to report rules violations privately. Announcement apps make sharing updates and info super efficient. They can send scheduled messages, welcome new members with custom greetings, share news from external social media, or broadcast important server-wide notices. They ensure your members are always in the loop. Engagement apps help you create memorable experiences that keep community members coming back. They can host mini-games, run polls, manage giveaways, or even facilitate custom economy systems. A special mention here for the embedded app SDK, which you can use to build interactive experiences like games or collaborative tools that open right inside Discord, typically within voice channels, making your server even more dynamic and fun. Beyond direct community management, Discord apps can also deeply integrate with your game, seamlessly connecting it to your Discord community. They can do anything from delivering in-game item drops, sending event notifications for raids or tournaments, or even displaying player statistics and leaderboards within your server. If you want to enhance your server, the easiest way is to find and integrate existing apps. But how do you find the right ones? And what should you keep in mind? We highly recommend starting with the Discord app directory, which is linked below in the description. It's our official resource for discovering a wide range of verified apps. When browsing, look for apps with active support. Good apps usually have a dedicated support server or clear contact information. A responsive development team is crucial if you run into issues. Make sure there's clear documentation. This means helpful instructions on how to set up the app, use its commands, and make the most of its features. The process to add an app is usually straightforward. Find an app you like, click its entry, and then carefully review the permissions it asks for before you hit the authorize button. Once you authorize it, the app will appear right in your server, ready for you to configure and start using. Only give your app the permissions it absolutely needs to do its job. An overprivileged app can be a significant security risk if it ever gets compromised. If an app asks for administrative permissions and its function doesn't clearly require it, be cautious. Understanding and adjusting permissions is critical for managing your server's security and functionality. As a server administrator, you have granular control. Here's how you can check and adjust permissions for apps you've added. First, when an app is added to your server, it automatically gets its own role in your server's role list. To check its permissions, simply go to the server settings, then roles. Find the app's role by its name. Just like any other role, you can then edit its permissions directly there, allowing or denying specific actions like sending messages, managing other roles, or kicking members. Always ensure this role only has the minimum necessary permissions. To dive in further into app and role permissions, check out the video linked in the description below. Next, consider data privacy. If an app handles any user data, be transparent about what data it's collecting, why, and how it's being used. For public apps, look for a clear privacy policy. For example, if it's a moderation bot, does it log messages? If so, where is that data stored, and for how long? This is particularly important with apps offering image or content modification. Discord ensures user control, meaning images are never automatically shared. Instead, users explicitly choose to send them for editing. Also, think about trust and reputation. Do a quick search for recent news or community feedback on any app you're considering. Finally, ensure the app has regular maintenance and updates. A well-maintained app suggests a commitment to security. If an app hasn't been updated in a long time, it might not be compatible or could have unpatched vulnerabilities. Building your own app allows for tailored functionality. You can create features that are perfectly aligned with your game's specific requirements or your community's unique quirks. It allows for full control. You own the code, data, and deployment, offering maximum security, privacy, and flexibility. Finally, it gives you the opportunity to create unique integrations. You can connect your Discord app directly with your game's backend systems, database, or other external services in ways that a public, generalized app simply can't. If this sounds like the right fit for your specific needs, then the journey to building your own app begins at the developer portal. Let's take a look at where you'd start. The Discord developer portal is your central resource for app creation and management. Just head to discord.com/developers/applications or click the link in the description below. First, you'll create your application. Once you're logged in, click New Application and give it a unique name. This will be your app's public identity on Discord. Every app has a bot user that is automatically created for you. The bot user is how your app will join servers or be installed to users' accounts. Navigate to the Bot tab to find your bot token. Seriously, keep this token secret. It is crucial to keep your bot token secret because it grants access to your bot. Anyone with your bot's token can control your bot, which could lead to unauthorized actions, misuse, or compromise of your server and community. Then you'll define permissions and invite your app. In the OAuth 2 tab, you'll select the necessary scopes like bot and critically applications.commands for supporting /commands. Then select the specific permissions your app needs. Copy the generated invite URL, paste it into your browser, select your test server, highly recommend using one for development, and authorize. Your app will pop up offline on your server, just waiting for some code. When it comes to building your own Discord app, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of programming languages and frameworks. The Discord developer portal offers extensive documentation and resources for various languages to help you get started. If you're looking to build your first app, check out the documentation link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more Discord developer tutorials so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching.